To install Enscape, first make sure you have the installer available. This can be done by either applying for a trial on our website or by purchasing a license key. You'll receive a download link in both cases. Which version you are installing is irrelevant. The student version, the trial version and the paid version all use the same installer. The only thing left is to make sure none of the supported CAD softwares are running while you complete the installation. Just close all programs beforehand, double-click the installer and follow the instructions and you'll be fine. After the installation process is finished, you will find the Enscape menu in your SketchUp interface under Extensions. Enable the handy toolbar by right-clicking on the empty part of your SketchUp toolbar and enabling Enscape. You're good to go. You can start Enscape now by pressing the Start button. See you in the next lesson.